Hi everyone, my name is Mahmoud Sheikh and welcome back to Unix Shell Programming Tutorial Series. In today's video, we are going to discuss about writing a shell program to calculate the total of 6 marks and percentage also. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. So here, as you can see, I have already written down the output of this program, and when this program gets executed, it asks user to enter the marks of 6 subjects one by one. And based on the marks, it will calculate the total and then it will print the percentage also. Okay, so just by looking at the output, so what do you think, how many variables we need to create in this program? Since we are asking the user to enter the marks of 6 different subjects, so to store those 6 different marks in our program, we need to create 6 different variables. First variable to hold the marks of first subject, then second variable to hold the marks of second subject. So we'll be creating 6 variables starting from M1 to M6, and then based on those marks we'll be calculating the total. And in our program, to store the total, we need to create one more variable, and also we are displaying the percentage. That's why we need to create one more variable to store the percentage data. Okay, so now we guys have understood how many variables we need to use in this program. So now let us start writing this program. As we guys have already discussed in our earlier videos of Unix shell programming, that every Unix shell programming starts with the statement called shebang statement. Hash. Okay. So the purpose of this first statement, which is also called as shebang. Okay. So it tells that which shell we are using to execute our program. So we are using the bash shell, and the location of this bash shell is under USR and bin directory. Now next we need to display this message and accept the marks of first subject. So to print the message on the terminal, we need to use echo command. Echo enter the marks of subject 1 double quote, and then I will take that input and store that input in a variable. So to accept that input, I will use the read command. Read, and I will make a variable with the name M1. This marks 90 gets stored inside variable M1. Similarly, I will ask these different messages to the user to enter different marks. Echo 6. Okay, so now I have taken the marks of 6 different subjects, and those marks get stored inside M1, M2, M3, M4, M5 and M6. Now I need to make the total of these marks. So to make the total, I will use the variable name total, then equal operator, and then dollar open round bracket, then echo, and I will use space double quote. Before double quote, you need to put space. Then I need to use the variables M1, M2 till M6. Okay, so whenever you will be using variable in some expression, you need to prefix the variable with dollar. Okay, dollar M1 plus dollar M2 double quote close, and we need to put some space, and then this pipe symbol, then BC. BC stands for basic calculator. Okay, so whatever result will come after executing this entire expression, then that output gets transferred as an input to this BC command. Then BC command will calculate and transfer that final output to total. I need to calculate the percentage. PER is equals to dollar bracket, then echo space double quote dollar total by 600 into 100 space pipe BC. Okay, now total gets stored inside total variable and percentage gets stored inside PER variable. Okay, so you need to make sure that you should not give any space before the equal and after the equal operator here also. Now we will just print these two variables PER. So this is the shell program which you need to write to make the total and percentage of 6 subjects. So now once you write this program, then you need to go to the terminal to execute this program. So once you go to the terminal, then you need to write this command dot forward slash then file name dot sh. Okay, then it will give you an error like permission denied kind of message, permission denied. Okay, because every time whenever you will be creating a new file, you need to add the executable permission to that file. Once you add the executable permission, then you can easily execute the file. Okay, so now I will add the executable permission using chmod plus x file name dot sh. Okay, now the executable permission gets added to this file, and now I can use the same command dot forward slash file name dot sh, and I will get this output like enter the marks of subject 1. Then I need to enter one by one marks of different subjects, then it will calculate the total and percentage. Okay, so this is how we can write a Unix shell program to make the total and percentage of 6 marks. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys have understood. If you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching.